A violent storm tears across the sky, lightning shredding the darkness as if revealing a secret meant for only the world's most powerful. Standing defiantly on the cliff's edge is a $1 billion architectural masterpiece, a residence once associated with the visionary mind of Bill Gates. And tonight, the storm only makes it more breathtaking. This is no ordinary mansion. It's a fortress of glass, stone, and innovation suspended above the wild. Stay with me, because what you're about to see will redefine your idea of luxury. Let the storm pull you in. Prepare to enter a home that doesn't just overlook nature, it conquers it. The entrance is sculpted directly into the cliff, framed by rain-soaked greenery and glowing pathways that guide you inside. Marble floors gleam like liquid gold beneath towering chandeliers, while infinity pools spill into the clouds, as if the house itself is creating waterfalls. Every detail whispers exclusivity, making the storm outside feel like part of the show. And when the storm softens, the magic becomes even more surreal. An open-air dining terrace hovers above the rainforest, where candlelight flickers against the mist, and distant waterfalls roar like nature's orchestra. Tucked within the stone is a private wine sanctuary, storing world-class vintages in a chamber designed for absolute indulgence. The main bedroom, wrapped in wood and carved stone, faces the untouched wilderness, where thunder becomes a soundtrack to pure tranquility. But when night takes over, this mansion transforms entirely. A vibrant private bar and gaming lounge ignite with energy, turning the residence into your own exclusive nightlife escape. Step outside, and you'll find a glowing poolside bar, where waterfalls shimmer beneath storm-brushed starlight. Even the fitness center pushes boundaries, surrounded by glass. It gives you the feeling of working out above the entire rainforest. And then comes the crown jewel, the cliffside sanctuary built for serenity and power. Fire-lit seating, warm lanterns, and panoramic views make it feel like the storm was summoned just to highlight the mansion's beauty. Here, with the world spread out beneath you, luxury meets nature in perfect balance. If this extraordinary tour captured your imagination, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible mansion showcases and cinematic journeys.